All right, we are walking over to the Skibbity restaurant right over here. Okay. Hello, ma'am. We would like to order. Can we have a menu, please?
This is the Skibbity, Ohio menu.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, it looks like we have Skibbity menu, Skibbity bread, Skibbity drink, Gyat Sigma farts, or mewing training.
Mewing training.
You want mewing training? You can have mewing training and Skibbity bread. I'm gonna have Gyat Sigma farts and the Skibbity drink, please.
Okay. I'm gonna go get the what do you want again?
Skibbity bread, Skibbity drink, Gyat Sigma farts, and mewing training.
Okay, let me go get the Gyat Sigma farts.
Okay.
I will be back.
We're gonna go sit over here. Is that okay?
Yes.
All right, come here, Finn. Let's go.
Where are we sitting?
Yay.
I get the comfortable.
Okay.
And you get the hard.
Are you excited for the Gyat Sigma farts, Skibbity drink, Skibbity bread, and mewing training?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so here are your drinks. This is the Gyat mewing farts.
Yes.
This is your drink, sir. And would you guys like the Skibbity Ohio bread?
Yeah, Skibbity Ohio bread and mewing training, please.
Okay. So who wants this one?
Me, please. That's Skibbity bread, right?
Yes. So that's good.
Okay, and then this is mewing training, which I'll give to him. All right, ready to try them?
Okay,
Yes.
Hold on. Okay. So there's
Don't
a
try it
special
yet.
thing, and I'm gonna see if you guys want it.
Okay.
So it is the ultimate crazy guy.
What is it?
It's Skibbity Ohio mewing training farts Sigma Gyat mewing. Would you like that?
Yes, please. That sounds so delicious.
Oh, I'm ready to.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Yes.
All right. Let me get that ready for you. It will be ready in just a second.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, Finn, I think she's about to bring us the ultimate Skibbity Ohio Riz mewing.
I see.
You can have it. I'll be nice enough to let you have it.
No, you can have it.
You could have it.
No, you can have it.
You better eat it. Look at me now. Look at me now. Look at me now. You better eat it. Ah, no. Ah! I'll just drink it by myself.
All right, time to try. What?
You have to drink this, or I will show you the ultimate.
Time to try my Sigma farts.
Oh no, mine tastes like butt.
Look at this yumminess.
Those Sigma farts are so good. I think they defined my jawline and made me more alpha male. Wow.
I don't know what that means, but yeah.
Bro, I'm actually so Sigma now. Finn, is that making you Sigma?
That's making me into a farting doll.
Yeah, we're so Sigma. Alright, bye guys. See you in the next video.
Sigma, Sigma, on the wall. Who's the skibbidiest of them all? Me, I'm the Sigma. You underestimate my skibbity powers. Let me show you how skibbity I can be.